In the food industry, packaging is no longer just a detail. It's part of the product experience. Before customers taste your food, they see your label. And that label communicates quality, trust, and professionalism in seconds. That's why more food businesses are moving toward in-house label printing for more control, flexibility, and consistency. Today, we're looking at two professional solutions: the CX86e label printer and the LX610e print and cut system. The CX86e is a compact, full-color label printer designed for everyday production. It delivers vibrant CMY prints with sharp detail, making it ideal for sauce bottles, spice jars, ready meals, bakery boxes, beverage bottles, and more. It's perfect for businesses that want to print labels on demand, adjust designs quickly, and avoid minimum order quantities from external suppliers. If you're looking for reliable, high-quality color labels with efficiency and flexibility, the CX86e is a strong solution. Now, if branding and custom shapes are important to you, the LX610e takes things further. This system not only prints in full color, it also automatically contour cuts your labels into any shape you design. Round labels, logo-shaped stickers, custom die-cut designs, all in one workflow. That means more creative freedom and a more premium packaging appearance. Both systems allow food businesses to bring label production in-house, improving speed, consistency, and brand control. Because in today's market, strong branding starts with strong presentation, and presentation begins with the label.
To know more about labeling and packaging solutions, subscribe to our channel or visit our website at www.labelgraph.com.